So much for the decision recently made to declare gender-based violence a national disaster. Let's start here. Dr. Mashazi continued to say that it was open season, her words, open season to anybody who wanted to exploit these young women employees. And obviously, there's a power imbalance. These are junior, subordinate people trying to keep their jobs. The boss comes along and he's pushing his luck, and there's no one to turn to. They go to the city manager, and the city manager says, I couldn't do anything. These were her own words, because there was no formal complaint. In other words, nothing put down on paper. These people went to her. Why didn't she take their complaint and write it down and get them to sign it herself? Now, it wasn't just the rape and abuse of junior people that happened in the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department. There was also the whole situation that we heard so much of earlier in this commission about how the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department was aiding and abetting Kat Matlala in his criminal activities. They registered his cars, they did security for him, they helped him assassinate people, they did all kinds of things that you would not expect a police department to do.